Welcome to Paybis. Did you know that over 20% of Bitcoin in circulation is considered lost because of simple mistakes during transactions? That's billions of dollars in value, gone forever. One of the biggest pitfalls in the crypto world is making errors when withdrawing funds, whether it's sending Bitcoin to an incompatible wallet, mistyping a wallet address, or choosing the wrong network. But it's not just about sending crypto to the wrong place. There are also risks like poisoning attacks, phishing schemes, and other scam mechanisms that target users to steal their funds. That's why it's so important to double-check where and how you're sending your cryptocurrency to ensure your funds are safe. These small mistakes can have huge consequences, as crypto transactions are irreversible. And let's not forget the frustration of dealing with high fees or delays, especially during network congestion. In fact, during peak times, transaction fees on certain networks can skyrocket, and withdrawals can take hours or even days to process. This highlights how important it is to use a platform that ensures fast, secure, and cost-effective withdrawals. With the rise of different altcoins and networks, even experienced users sometimes struggle with managing their withdrawals smoothly. Whether you're sending your crypto to a hardware wallet for extra security or transferring to another exchange for trading, it's crucial to do it right. One wrong move can lead to lost funds, and that's a problem no one wants to face. So how can you avoid these issues and ensure that your cryptocurrency withdrawals are smooth and secure? That's where Paybis comes in. Now let's dive into a step-by-step guide on how to withdraw your cryptocurrency from Paybis to an external wallet efficiently and without hassle. Log into your Paybis account. Once logged in, head to the member area by clicking on the button at the top right corner of the screen. Next, click on the Wallets button at the top left to view all of the cryptocurrency currently stored in your Paybis wallet. View your available cryptocurrencies. When you open the Wallets tab, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies stored in your Paybis wallet. Next to each cryptocurrency, you'll find the option to send. For this example, let's say you want to send Bitcoin to an external wallet. Click on the Send button next to your Bitcoin balance to begin the withdrawal process. Enter the external wallet address. A pop-up window will appear asking for the external wallet address where you want to send your cryptocurrency. In the Sending To field, paste the destination wallet address. It is crucial to double-check the wallet address. Crypto transactions are irreversible, and once the funds are sent to the wrong address, they cannot be retrieved. Choose the amount to send. After entering the wallet address, input the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to send. If you want to send your entire balance, there's a convenient Send All button that will automatically select the total amount in your wallet. Select the transaction fee. For each cryptocurrency transfer, a network fee is required to process the transaction. Paybis automatically sets the fee to medium, but you can adjust this based on your needs. Low, cheaper but slower processing time. Medium, a balance between speed and cost, default. High, faster processing but higher fees. Phone number verification. If you haven't already verified your phone number, a message will appear prompting you to do so. The message will read, "You should verify your phone number. Please contact customer support." Confirm the transaction. After reviewing the details and ensuring everything is correct, click the Send button. A new window will appear for confirmation, and an SMS with a 6-digit code will be sent to your verified phone number. Transaction completed. Once you've entered the SMS code and confirmed, your transaction will be broadcasted to the blockchain. Depending on the network traffic and the fee you selected, the transaction time may vary. You can track the status of the transfer in real time on your Paybis dashboard. Check the external wallet. After the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, the funds will appear in your external wallet. Be sure to check the wallet and confirm that the cryptocurrency has been successfully received. If you ever encounter any issues, Paybis offers 24/7 customer support to guide you through the process and resolve any concerns. Ready to start? Sign up today and begin your secure crypto journey with Paybis. Paybis, where your crypto withdrawals are simple, fast, and secure every time.